Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I am Jabre, and today I will be showing you guys how I get the perfect silk press every single time. I am so in love with this routine and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. But of course, all of the products and everything will be listed down below. But let's just go ahead and hop right into this tutorial. So first things first, we're going to start with shampoo, more specifically clarifying shampoo. I love this Way Detox shampoo. It's my absolute favorite for silk presses, and then I'm also going to follow that up with the Olaplex Bond Maintenance Shampoo. Using a clarifying shampoo is essential as it effectively removes buildup and excess oils, leaving your hair feeling clean, fresh, and light. Next, you want to go ahead and follow up with a conditioner or deep conditioner. These are my two favorite ones. They're both by Olaplex, the number 5 and the number 8. I love going in with the Bond Intense Moisture Mask when my hair is feeling dry or just needs a little bit of extra love after a protective style, but that is pretty much it for the shampoo bowl. So let's just go ahead and move on to the next process. As you guys can see, I have separated my hair and braided it up. Straight from the shower, I just wanted my hair to air dry just a little bit in these braids, and it's going to help with my blow dry process because this is going to have my hair pre-stretched. To maintain healthy natural hair, heat protectant is going to be really important. These are my two favorite heat protectants. This is the Camera Blow Dry Spray and the Redken All Soft Moisture Restore. This Moisture Restore is going to act as a leave-in, and the blow dry spray is going to act as my heat protectant, but they're both layers, and so I love to go ahead and just spray that blow dry spray onto my hair and also detangle it so that it goes through each and every strand. And I do this before I apply any heat. This is super important, you guys. I always get questions on how I'm able to maintain my curls, and this is how. Now I'm going to split that section into a smaller section, and I'm going to apply my leave-in treatment, and this is where the blow dry process is going to begin. So as you guys can see, my hair is not drenched wet, it's not dripping, it's very stretched out, and this is how I love to start my blow dry process because it cuts the time in half. And so I love to go in with the tension method first, and as you guys can see, I'm putting tension on my hair and just using that blow dryer and just going over my hair. And I like to do this until the hair is about 90% dry, and then you guys will see that I'm going to split that section into another half, and I'm going to start with my round brush. Now, I am in no shape a professional when it comes to round brushing. However, I have found that it makes such a difference when blow drying my hair, and it puts that extra tension on my roots and making sure that the blow dry is getting me as straight as possible. After you finish the blow dry process, this is what your hair should look like. I'm going to split my hair so you guys can see that my roots are also stretched out as well. I run my fingers through my hair so many times to make sure that there's no moisture left in my hair whatsoever. And yeah, this is what it's looking like. Now I'm going to go ahead and section my hair to start the flat iron process. So this is how I love to section my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and take one of those down, and this is where I'm going to apply my silkening mist. I love this Canva silkening mist and this Nairobi sheer shine, but for both of these I only use very minimal of this because it will create a greasy effect if you use too much. So I'm just going in and spraying very lightly before I start my flat iron process. And I'm starting off with a very small piece of hair, and I take my time with this process. Like, flat ironing my hair can take anywhere from an hour to 2 hours, depending on just how I feel for that day. But like literally, you guys, I take the smallest, babyest sections and I glide my Babyliss flat iron over my hair very slow. Also, you guys, the heat setting that I have on my Babyliss is 380. I don't like to go any higher than that on my natural hair. And I also like to go in with this little pencil curler to just get those roots really good and make sure that everything is laying flat. But pretty much, you guys, this becomes super repetitive and I just go all around my head, making sure that I don't take any large sections at all. I just make sure that I'm taking my time. And you guys, super important, I almost forgot. Only one pass. You only need one pass. I don't do multiple passes on my hair whatsoever. It's just not needed. If you do everything right and you follow all of the steps, that's really all you should need. And if you ever feel like you need to do more than one pass, you probably are using too big of sections. So yeah, that's my advice. But like I said, it's just going to become super repetitive from here. So you guys can just enjoy watching the process. So you guys, after flat ironing your hair, this is what it should look like. Very, very silky. And as you guys can see, my hair has so much movement and shine. I love this so much. This lasts me anywhere from 2 weeks to a month. And all I have to do is make sure that I wrap my hair up or put it in a bonnet every single night. And yeah, you guys, that is my silk press routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any further questions or feel that I left anything out, feel free to comment down below and I will try to help everyone that I can. But yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it. If you like content like this, make sure that you give me a like and hit that subscribe button. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.